talk about the transporting business here Fibal. I don't know what you call them in your language, but in one of the local languages they are called the Fibal. But here where I work from, they are called Bugattis. So I'm going to learn a few things about these so-called Bugattis. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the video. So I'm going to show you how they look like, these same called Bugattis. These are made from a wheelbarrow. As you can see down there, they are made from a wheelbarrow with some steel on it. Then these things are made in such a way that they can carry anything. As you can see, this guy is carrying some drinks. Then that guy is carrying other stuff. There's just one person obviously looking for clients, another one is running to get some clients. So these so-called Bugattis are very busy around this area, in city market area. As you can see, this guy is carrying some heavy load. And one funny thing about these so-called Bugattis, they think they own the road. Look at that. He's parked right in the middle of the road, and there is another guy passing in the middle of the road. So if you're not careful, they will hit you hard. There's another guy carrying, they carry different stuff. They even carry people. You can actually book him, take you to City Market and Lima Tower, Intercity. These guys can go anywhere, and their fees are only 30 kwacha, depending on the distance, 10 kwacha, 20 kwacha, sometimes even 50 kwacha. It's a big business if you come to look at it. As you can see in the video, others like this one is even carrying meat, others carry even relish, nama. It's carrying meat. So you can book these guys for anything, and sometimes it's even cheaper than booking a cab. Like where I am, if I want to go into town, it's about a 20 minutes walk into town. If I've got some heavy load, I can book the so-called Bugatti, and he'll be able to take me to my destination. So these guys are making money. Look at that guy carrying some heavy stuff. That could be a balloon or something. They get anything. They don't refuse. They get anything. These guys are geniuses. These guys are geniuses if you come to think about it. There's another one carrying those are drinks, those are other stuff. There's one selling oranges. So they do all manner of businesses. Tabakana, they don't refuse. You ask them to carry you, they will carry you. They don't refuse. Others are just parked waiting for clientele. So this is just me going around city market area, and just to show you how busy these so-called Bugattis are. So you can see, as you can see, they are passing. It's like like if you're watching a Nigerian movie, like Okadas. Is it Okadas? Yes. I hope I pronounced it very well. That's how they look like. They are a lot here. You bypass each other. The people who are walking just bypass Bugatti. School up Sanafi. As you can see, look at that. So this is just me walking around the air just to show you how powerful this business is. So if you're business minded, and you can try it out, or maybe you can employ someone who's a young person who's doing nothing. Buy them a Bugatti. Yeah, just having some fun, and then a truck decides to show up in the middle of my video. Yeah, this place is messed up. City market area where I work from is messed up. You got trucks, you got buses, you got the Bugattis, and you also got the peeps, the peoples. Like in Julian would say, the peeps. So in short, there's confusion. So this truck is It's passing when I'm in the middle of recording a Bugatti carrying some stuff. Yep. Then we've also got a taxi rank just right there. As you can see, there's another Bugatti. Yeah, truck man, please go. Interrupting my video. Why? I guess, truck man, you're interrupting my video. Anyway, I love trucks, so maybe that's why the truck has appeared twice in my video. I love trucks. If anyone can just give me a truck, for my birthday, just give me a truck and trailer. It would have made my day. Yeah, boy. There's a Bugatti. Another truck. It looks like I'm obsessed with trucks. So next in the line, we're gonna talk about trucks. There's the same truck. Okay. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is the sign that I'm really obsessed with trucks. Jesus. There's a Bugatti. Ooh, Bugatti. Bugatti. Yeah, I went hunting around for Bugatti. There's one, another one. One selling fruits. Another one. I decided, so I'm gonna take this little further. I'm gonna hunt them Bugattis. I'm gonna hunt them one by one. Bananas. There's one carrying some plastic cups. And there's one just passing by like, hey, I'm minding my own business. Woohoo! There's one trying to cross the traffic light right in the middle of the traffic light. These guys are nuts. Okay, Bugattis don't follow traffic rules. They pass anywhere. They don't even, when you're driving, sometimes they even bash people. Another one. There's another one. Carrying balo. That's a balo of items to be sold. One is even selling fish. Yeah, fishy. The Bugatti guy is selling fish. You can even hire them. Like you book maybe the whole day and you put your stuff there. This is a very good business. Oh, I love Bugattis. I hope that one day I can get myself a Zambian Bugatti. Zambian Bugatti. The sausage. As you can see in the video, from the start to the end, you notice that these people are busy people. You can literally count. We have more than, in a day you can have more than 50 Bugattis. That's right in front of where I work from. More than 50 Bugattis can pass with people carrying stuff. So this just goes to show that this is a big business. And if you're a businessman, you can maybe buy one or add an innovation to it.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Your time is now. Big Enterprise, the best phone accessories in town, Lusaka, Zambia.
Be out there asking me why did I decide to shoot the Bugatti, the so-called Bugatti. I just wanted to open up your eyes to a kind of business that most people didn't want to do, but it's making people money. I believe those guys are making serious money if they plan very well and invest the money very well. They can amount, that money can amount to something. If you look at it, this guy makes 30 kwacha in one trip. Let's say he picks someone and takes them around town, or gets some goods and takes them around town. He's gonna charge 30 kwacha. So imagine if he takes 10 people, that's 300 kwacha already in one day. And if he does it in 5 days, that's 300 times 5, that's 1,500 if my mathematics is correct. So now imagine how much money that guy would make in a month. But the challenge is with such people is they make the money, they drink the alcohol. They make the money, they go for women, most of them. I'm not saying all of them, but I'm saying most of them. That's why you find that you can ask him and say, how much money do you make? He will tell you. But where does the money go to? You either drink, smoke, or womanize. So thank you for paying attention.